This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for October 24th, 2024. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 0.93 points or 0.23% to 405.71. Total trade volume was down and light with 49,154 shares changing hands at a total value of 298 million real or approximately $73,460. On the main board, 3 stocks were up. Leading the market once again was Grand Twins International, up by 1.90% or 80 real to 4,300 real per share, followed by the Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, which was up 0.65% or 40 real to 6,220 real per share. Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ was also up 0.45% or 10 real to 2,210 real per share. On the downside, Sihanoukville Autonomous Port was the biggest loser of the day, decreasing 0.88% or 100 real to 11,300 real per share, followed by MJQ Education, which was down 0.49% or 10 real to 2,040 real per share. The other 2 stocks down were Cam GSM and Pestec Cambodia. Meanwhile, Akleda Bank and the Phnom Penh Autonomous Port remained flat. Over on the growth board, JS Land and DBD Engineering both stayed flat at 3,440 real and 2,060 real per share respectively. Akleda Bank once again recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 34,259 shares changing hands at a total value of 249.6 million real or around $61,490, making up roughly 59% of total shares traded on October 24th. The Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 8,838 shares changing hands at a total value of 55.6 million real or roughly $13,700, accounting for around 15% of Thursday's trade volume. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD remained stable at 4,062 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 104.18. Looking at global commodities, oil prices rose more than 1% on Thursday, reversing some of the previous session's losses as the Middle East conflict and reports of North Korean troops ready to help Russia and Ukraine kept traders on edge ahead of the U.S. presidential election. Brent crude futures were up 1.7% to $76.22 a barrel. Oil prices have gained about 4% this week after shedding more than 7% last week on concerns of oversupply and weak demand and a perceived calming of Middle East tensions. Gold prices drifted higher, propped up by safe haven demand, while palladium hit a more than 1-month peak after a media report sparked fears of sanctions on Russian supplies. Spot gold rose 0.7% to $2,735.26 per ounce, slightly below the record high of $2,758.37 hit on Wednesday. U.S. gold futures gained 0.7% to $2,747.90. The U.S. dollar hovered near 3-month highs, limiting gold's potential for a further rally. A stronger dollar makes gold more expensive for other currency holders. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, futures linked to the S&P 500 rose Thursday morning after the index notched a 3-day run of losses. S&P 500 futures added 0.25%, while Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.56%. Dow futures slid 42 points, or roughly 0.1%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for October 24th.